This is the menu for MAX-4 gravity disposal. Let's see what's included. You will get an operating instruction. This one. And a user manual. This one. This is the operating instruction. It explains some operating mode and some operating steps. This is the user manual. It's a 20 pages small book. It included how to take out a snap ring, how to install the garbage disposal, the wiring works, how to connect the tab. Before install garbage disposal, to read this user manual from beginning to end is a good idea. Let's fix the L tab to the garbage disposal. Please make sure it's sealed. Let's install the metal gasket to the L tab directly. Please make sure the landing image the screw pure. Use a slotted screwdriver to tighten the two screws. Now, let's install the rubber gasket protective cover. Please pay attention to the direction of the screw. The rubber gasket protective cover will cover the two screws.